every time we enter this particular studio, we always say that our first life का सबसे पहला radio interview happened exactly here.
It's just my safe place. I know मैं कुछ भी बोलूँगी, it's not leaving this room or this house.
Basically, she means she bitches a lot. I've always been a little like underconfident till now. When we go up on stage, you know, I will probably think about everything that can go wrong, and she'll be like, "Just shut up, let's go and have fun."
अगर एक गाने को सुन के हमें वापस गाना होता है, I do it without thinking and she puts thought in it and I think that reflects in our singing.
Badshah. I mean, he is legendary and we saw that. I think just seeing how fast he works was very inspiring because he just is insane.
Radio City Music Fest.
Welcome Sukriti Prakriti to Radio City 91.1 FM's Music Fest.
Thank you.
Thank
Hachu. Such a good time. Oh my god, I'm just trying to level up to this energy. I think धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा, but this is amazing. We love you so much.
Yeah.
And every time we enter this particular studio, we always say that our first life का सबसे पहला radio interview happened exactly here. We have that picture on Facebook somewhere. But yes.
Which you don't want anyone to see because it all looks so weird. Like
No, that's hairband. And a t-shirt from Benetton, and I feel like it's such a memory, and it was with you and Salil, and that's why we love you guys so much. I feel like coming here always feels like home.
Oh, I love you guys. So I want to start with the fact that, you know, twins are so rare, and then to have twins in the same industry, इसका सबसे बड़ा advantage और challenge क्या है?
Advantage है कि you can say whatever about whoever to this person who's your twin sister and your best friend, but also at the same time she's, you know, like when you're at least auditioning for movie parts and all, you know, there's stuff that you can share, you know, बहुत सारे ऐसा times होता है when you meet people at different parties, you make new friends in the industry, and there's always like that little bit of an inhibition that, you know, you don't want to overshare but also you want to share. I struggle with that a lot because I'm naturally an oversharer and I don't have to do any of that when I have her, and you know, it's just my safe place. I know मैं कुछ भी बोलूँगी, it's not leaving this room or this house, so that I think is an advantage. And
Basically, she means she bitches a lot.
That's
Lots
such rubbish.
No,
Just
I'm kidding,
but
I'm
I
kidding.
think when we started out, there were so many questions, and I think having Dee and her in my you know, in my reach was always the most comfortable place to be, because you have so many questions when you're working in this industry, and when you have someone like Sukriti, who's your twin sister, dealing with the same things, I think it's just easier. Like things feel easier when you discuss it, talk it out, and communicate and navigate together. ये best part है, I think, twins का, and I think twins from the same industry, not something that we run into a lot, right?
Yeah.
A lot of twins we know, you know, हर pair अलग-अलग चीज़ें कर रहा होता है, and they have like this, personally they are bind together, but I think challenge would be the identity crisis. It's but now also we feel like you know, we're taking that in our stride, but I think the identity crisis is just something that we've dealt with. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि हम offend होते हैं when they call me Sukriti or when they call her Prakriti.
Yeah,
but
because
I
they
think
really apologize. They're like, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm like,
Yeah.
it's fine, you know? Like, it's fine.
It's
It
a lot
could
of
be
yours in
lot
practice.
worse. But this is fine. So it's fine.
But I think that's that I would say is a challenge. What do you think?
आपके लिए क्या है?
I think the best part for me is that you suddenly feel inspired, because there are a lot of times I feel like even when we were growing up, हम जब साथ में music सीख रहे थे and हम classes के लिए जाते थे, so I've always been a little like underconfident growing up because I love the stage, but Prakriti, I think a lot, right? मैं बहुत मतलब जल्दी से paranoid हो जाती हूँ, and Prakriti is very bindas. She's like, till now when we go up on stage, you know, I will probably think about everything that can go wrong, and she'll be like, just shut up, let's go and have fun, you know. So that I feel very inspired. I need this energy around me because I need someone to like balance me out. So I think that's the best part, and I feel like when I used to go for classes and stuff, so अगर हमारे गुरुजी कुछ सिखा रहे हैं, so she would pick it up really fast.
I think ये difference हम दोनों में है. जब अगर एक गाने को सुन के हमें वापस गाना होता है, I do it without thinking, and she puts thought in it, and I think that reflects in our singing.
Yeah,
And
so no, but she used to basically get it really fast. So then I used to think, oh, if she can do it, then of course I can do it. So that really helped me because, you know, I'm like, okay, isse ho jata hai to mujhse bhi ho hi jayega. Like I learn it, you know. And if that was somebody else, I'd be like, you know, get into like a different thought. But it just becomes easier. So we're twins, so I feel like it's easier to learn from each other also. So I feel like that's the best part. And the worst part is, I don't know, we also butt heads a lot because, you know, Taurus. So we butt heads.
I think
both very
हम-
stubborn.
और हम दोनों की
So-
पर्सनालिटी आई थिंक स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो बहुत कम होता है दैट वी हैव डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स, यू नो, डिफरेंसेस इन ओपिनियन, बट जब होते हैं वी आर वेरी वेरी ओपिनियनेटेड, तो दैट्स व्हेन वी
Yeah.
क्लैश फॉर श्योर.
आई वांट टू आस्क कि कोई गाने को लेकर, हिंदी में रखेंगे, कोई गाने को लेकर आप दोनों की चॉइसेस बहुत अलग रही हैं और फिर डिबेट में जीता कौन, क्योंकि ये बहुत रस वाली बात है कि दोनों टॉरियंस है, दोनों जैसे कह रहे हैं कि हेड बट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जीता कौन?
गाने को लेके आई थिंक कभी कभी ऐसा होता है जब हम स्टूडियो में होते हैं, हम फ्लो में होते हैं, एंड यू नो एक सॉन्ग राइटर होता है शायद हमारे साथ, या फिर प्रोड्यूसर होता है, एंड हम कंपोज कर रहे होते हैं, एंड कभी कभी यू नो आई विल बी कंपोजिंग समथिंग एंड सुकृति विल जस्ट बी लाइक दिस इज ऑफुल, मतलब ये तो बहुत ही बुरा है, प्लीज़ ये तो ट्राई भी नहीं कर सकते, तो ये हमारा गाना नहीं हो सकता है. एंड आई फील वेरी स्ट्रांगली अबाउट इट, लाइक नहीं ये बहुत अच्छा पार्ट है, ये कहीं गाने में रखना चाहिए, बट ये बहुत कम होता है. यूजुअली जो हमें पसंद आता है और जो हमें पसंद नहीं आता है वो सेम ही होता है.
हाँ.
बट एक बार आई थिंक ये गाने में हुआ था, आई थिंक दैट वाज कैंडिया कैंडी ना, क्योंकि वो हमारा लाइफ का सबसे मतलब आई थिंक 15 मिनट में पूरा गाना बन गया था, एंड इट वाज आई थिंक वेरी इंस्टिंक्टिव, एंड उसमें आई थिंक देयर वाज वन ब्रिज दैट वी वर फाइटिंग अबाउट कि रखे गाने में नहीं रखे, एंड अल्टीमेटली आई लिसन टू सुकृति एंड फॉर द बेस्ट आई थिंक. बट अदरवाइज बहुत ऐसे आई थिंक गाने को लेके बहुत कम लड़ाई होती है, बहुत सारी और चीज़ें हैं जिस पे हम लड़ाई कर सकते
on
हैं.
camera today that I have one way I can kind of also the fact that we know each other so much, मैं थोड़ा सा manipulate कर सकती हूँ उसको, तो मैं करती हूँ जब भी I get into this bossy girl energy and then I just kind of make her do exactly what I want and it works.
Yeah.
Now you
And
know
and now I'm okay with it, क्योंकि I think मैंने accept कर लिया है कि even though Sukriti is 2 minutes older, I am still the younger sister, and मेरे में वो big sis energy है ही नहीं. मतलब I don't think I could be a big sister to anybody because I've never learned that. Yeah.
यू नो गाने स्पेशली पर्सनैलिटी ड्रिवन बहुत कम बनती हैं, एंड देन अगेन इन बॉलीवुड टू बी कास्ट इन द राइट सॉन्ग. इफ आई टू आस्क, आप एक दूसरे के लिए बताएंगे, ठीक है? आपको बताना है कि उनके लिए एक गाना जो आया था, कोई भी गाना जो इज वेरी हर्ड, एंड आपको लगता है कि इनके लिए गाना आया था
किसी
जो-
का भी गाना
Yeah. Okay. Just I need to know कि वो गाना was so meant for you. मतलब ये तो आपके लिए बर्थ से पहले ही लिखा था.
So many. I think मेरा personal favorite, my personal favorite quality of Suku, especially singing में, is कि she has a lot of power, and वो बहुत मतलब बहुत लोग ना चेस्ट से गाते हैं, वो सुकू पेट से गाती है बहुत ज़्यादा. शी रियली रोर्स एंड शी बेल्ट्स, एंड बहुत ही हाई रजिस्टर है जो बहुत लोग नहीं, यू नो, द सर्टन नोट्स दैट लॉट ऑफ फीमेल सिंगर्स आई डोंट थिंक कैन रीड, शी गोज दैट इन हर रियल वॉइस. बहुत लोग फॉल्स में जाते हैं, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वन थिंग दैट आई रियली लर्न फ्रॉम हर, क्योंकि गा तो मैं भी सकती हूँ, मुझे अपनी टोन पसंद नहीं है, तो वो हाई रजिस्टर पे, एंड शी साउंड्स रियली गुड सिंगिंग दोज हाई नोट्स. सो आई वुड से अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक सुनिधि चौहान सॉन्ग्स, इफ आई हैव टू नेम.
But
I
I
would-
have a song that I wish I'm reincarnated with. But you say first.
But I would say, like, you know, Kamli, Sunidhi Chauhan, I would say Sheila Ki Jawani, you know, all, I think even Jhume Jo Patan, which is actually her song, it is so high, and a lot of people can sing that high, but सबकी voice पे इतना बाहर नहीं आता है, वो निखर के नहीं आता है, and I think सुकू की voice पे बहुत अच्छा सूट करता है. So I think that's really cool, because it can sound very irritating when you sing that high in your real voice.
For Prakriti, I feel like she is, for me, when I don't see her and I hear her, I feel like she's a sultry queen. Like, I feel like her vocals are just like supposed to be like that perfect makhan, and I feel like I see her as like like a female Arijit, you know, because I feel like the way he puts also Taurus, okay, Arijit. So I know it comes directly from the heart, and I literally hear her, you know, sing the love songs. मुझे तो really ऐसे लगता है कि वो जो mix होता है ना आवाज़ और दिल का, that she just really has, and it's like certain जो मुर्कियाँ होती है या फिर हरकत होती है, I just feel like it comes so naturally to her that it's actually crazy. Like, she's a beautiful singer, and I really learned that when she sings love songs, it's really good, man. And I feel like अगर मैं गाती तो मैं ऐसे ही गाती, but वो उसका naturally इतना अच्छा आता है, so it's really really good.
कौन सा गाना?
तुम ही हो. If you get a song of that level,
yeah.
I feel like nobody can do it the way you will do it. And
That's crazy.
सारे अरिजीत के गाने यार, मतलब इतने सारे हैं, but what is that song in Janam Janam? I feel like that's a beautiful song.
It shows a lot of range.
Yes, that's also
Wow, yeah, this
but I
interview is
think
making me
Tum Hi
very
Ho.
happy.
Tum Hi Ho. Yeah, Tum Hi Ho would be the song.
For us, it's social media, and you guys on it. We love it. लेकिन क्या है ना, social media में as a musical promotional tool, which even Ed Sheeran said कि यार ये promotional tool है, लोग पागल हो रहे हैं. तो आपके लिए as a musical promotional tool कितना काम किया? Maybe you can tell us those instances, क्योंकि आपने बहुत खूबसूरत videos भी बनाए. And क्या ये pressure लगता है या फिर आपको लगता है कि यार आपके generation में तो ये blessing है?
मुझे तो honestly बहुत मज़ा आता है. मतलब मुझे कंटेंट कंज्यूम करने में भी बहुत मज़ा आता है, क्रिएट करने में भी बहुत मज़ा आता है, एंड आई फील लाइक आई कुड स्टिल कीप गेटिंग बेटर एट इट. आई फील लाइक जो नेक्स्ट सुपरस्टार्स होंगे यू नो फ्रॉम द फ्यूचर, दे विल बी म्यूजिशियंस, टैलेंटेड पीपल, बट कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स ऑल्सो. क्योंकि अगर वो कॉम्बिनेशन आपने एस कर दिया तो मतलब यू आर अनस्टॉपेबल. बिकॉज मतलब फैंस तो बनते रहेंगे, यू नो, गाने से बनते हैं, एक्टिंग से बनते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट से बनते हैं, बट आई फील लाइक what this is allowing us to do is build a community. Like today people can like you as a person, then your talent comes, and I think that's what Instagram for me is. You know, I think बहुत लोग I think ये recognize भी कर रहे हैं, you know, this whole personal brand thing. Tomorrow people could still like your personal brand and have nothing to do with liking your music or your acting for that matter. तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है. आई थिंक हम बहुत फ्रेंड्स करते हैं.
I feel like because you know we have actually grown up in front of the media, so मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत pressure है, and I feel like अभी ऐसा there's a time that everybody needs to know your story a lot, and I feel like we are writing it again because a lot of people know of our music and whatever we post, but they don't know us. So this is where I'm struggling with social media. I feel like we need to put out our story more, which is relevant to right now. So we are kind of working on that.
अगर एक पहली स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में बताना हो, ज़्यादा नर्वसनेस थी? I'm just taking you back in the memory.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tell us about that first performance. ज़्यादा नर्वस थे, ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थे, ओवर एक्साइटेड थे, क्या था वो मोमेंट?
नर्वस तो थे. आई रिमेंबर यू नो हमारे जो डैड हैं, हमारे पहले मैनेजर भी थे, तो उन्होंने अभी भी हैं एक्चुअली. ही इज़ नेवर आउट ऑफ द सीन, बट यू नो बहुत मुश्किल से यू नो राइट आफ्टर कॉलेज, आई थिंक कॉलेज में हम थे तब, डैड ने एक शो लॉक किया था. मुझे अभी भी याद है, रिलायंस का कुछ ऐसे फैमिली डे टाइप था, पवाई में शो था. और यू नो 90 मिनट्स का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है, 90 मिनट्स लाइव सिंगिंग. हमारा फुल बैंड भी नहीं था, 3 लोग थे स्टेज पे, एंड हम ऑब्वियसली बहुत डरे हुए थे बिकॉज इससे पहले हमने परफॉर्म किया है बहुत सारा, बट दीदी की को सिंगर्स बन के, जहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ हार्मनीज करनी है और 1-2 चीज़ें, मतलब यू नो इंटरेक्ट भी नहीं करना ऑडियंस के साथ, बिकॉज वी आर एट द बैक एंड शी इज़ फ्रंटिंग द शो. एंड पहला शो था, एंड हम ऑब्वियसली द क्लाइंट बुक्ड अस टुगेदर बिकॉज इट वाज जस्ट लाइक यू नो ट्विन्स का शो है, एक साथ बुक करते हैं, अलग अलग क्यों शो देंगे यू नो हमें. तो हम स्टेज पे गए, एंड आई रिमेंबर नॉट बीइंग सो स्कैर्ड बट बीइंग स्कैर्ड, क्योंकि मुझे खुद ही नहीं पता कि मेरे पास अगर स्टैमिना होगा 90 मिनट्स यू नो परफॉर्म करना है, डू यू स्वेट ऑन स्टेज, गला मतलब चलेगा 90 मिनट्स, ऑल ऑफ दैट राइट. एंड सुकू वॉज वेरी वेरी स्कैर्ड. आई वॉज स्टिल मोर लाइक कि देखते हैं ना, मतलब ये एक्सपीरियंस होगा if
पापा
nothing
बहुत
else.
डराते थे यार, वो बोलते थे कि तुम्हारा लाइफ का पहला शो आखिरी भी हो सकता है अगर अच्छे से, like you know who says all of that to a child?
No, and we were very young. I think we were 16 or something, 16, 17. And I will never forget this. I still bring this up with my father. He said कि अगर तुमने अच्छा नहीं perform किया ना, तुम्हारा first show last show हो सकता है. And till this date I carry that. And like till now, I don't know how many shows we might have done, but I always remember, this is always my thought, you know, going up on stage, and it helps me to take my work seriously, because I'm just like, this is everything for me, and if I'm not gonna be good, I'm replaceable, so I have to kill it, I have to do a good job. So that's my memory. And I, मतलब मुझे याद है हमने पहना क्या था,
I
हमारा
remember
show
a
कैसा गया.
completely different show. I
Which
remember
one?
Children's Day वाला.
अच्छा वो तो बहुत ही
Yeah.
पुराना. हाँ.
I remember what we sang also.
Yeah.
That song, Deedar De. I don't know why. I think it was a big hit that time. And I was like, I love this song and we had so much fun.
And मुझे मम्मा ने ना हमें black spaghetti tops पहनाए थे, and to add a little bit of glamour, हमारी मम्मा ने stitch किया था S&P with sequins, and like that S was green and P was orange because it was a Independence Day Children's Day show. So I will never forget it.
Yeah, it was really funny.
Yeah.
But we had a ball. I was
Yeah.
like, loved it. And then we came in some paper also next
Yeah.
day. So I think we still have that paper.
सबसे memorable collaboration.
I think this has to be with Badshah.
Yeah, even
Because
it
I
was
feel like he's a phenomena. He's a verb. People talk about him. He's also an adjective. Like it's Badshah. But knowing the actual him was a lot of fun, and collaborating with. I mean, he is legendary, and we saw that. You know, when we worked on the song Kya Se. In fact, we took that song to him, and हम ऐसे ही मतलब मिले थे, and then I told him that I really want to do something with you, and he's like, play me all your music. So we ended up playing him all our music, and this was one of the songs that came out with him. And when we heard this song, हमने उसको 6-7 बार और सुना उसके बाद गाड़ी में ही ड्राइव करते करते, and then the next day he wrote something on it. But I think just seeing how fast he works was very inspiring, because he's insane. Yeah, and very focused, laser focused. So it was really cool to work with somebody like that and see somebody else's process, right? I think that's really important. So
I would say one of my most favorite collaboration has to be the one with Dua Lipa. क्योंकि हम मिले नहीं थे तो सब Zoom and all पे हुआ था. I think that was a very cool. मतलब बोलने में भी ऐसा लगता है that oh my god this happened, because I think वो register उसी दिन करेगा if we meet her in our lives, you know, because
Yeah.
but it's really cool कि हम ये हमारी life में हुआ, and I think it'll always be my highlight, you know, looking back.
क्योंकि जब ट्विन्स होते हो तो लोग अज्यूम करते हैं कि कितने सिमिलर होंगे, बट यू आर चॉक एंड चीज. सबसे ज्यादा कॉमन चीजें आप दोनों में जो लिटरली इज लाइक रीडिफाइनिंग योर ओन सोल. माय गॉड वी आर सोलमेट्स. एंड व्हाट इज द मोस्ट ऑपोजिट थिंग्स? ये मुझे चाहिए.
wow, such interesting
I
questions.
swear.
You're really making me think.
She's a Scorpio.
Yeah.
Of course she's making you think.
I love it. Yeah. I think, chalk and cheese सही है, but हम साथ में बहुत ज़्यादा इंडल्ज कर सकते हैं. मतलब लाइक अगर हम कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं, कुछ नया ट्राई कर रहे हैं, कहीं पे नया ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, we love taking like our comfort very seriously. Like we love when we are tired. Like we sleep in the same room these days.
Yeah.
So there's a whole
I don't know why we are
routine,
doing that.
Whether it's like me making matcha in the day, like we really take our moments of comfort really seriously, and we have a lot of fun doing that
And
together.
it's बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है, right? Like
we are
it's
very similar in
like
that.
I feel like बहुत लोग बोलते हैं that me time is important, but our me time is together. So it's I can't explain, but it's something that's really special to me. क्योंकि like I feel like she's the only person I can be in the moment with. You know what I'm saying? Like it's small things. It's like watching our show together, and
yeah, which are like our things.
yeah, and like we don't watch it with anyone else. So it's those actually we're
Right now
sounding like a
it's
couple.
Love is Blind we are watching, and I don't know why we are watching. It's so stupid and so good.
But I'm not
obsessed.
allowed to watch that show, and I don't know, like it's And
No, we
कुछ
have to go
ऐसे-
episode to episode. So we can't watch it like ahead, basically.
And अभी पता है दीदी के घर पे गणपति था तो बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे आए थे एंड आई थिंक मी एंड सुकू कुछ इंटेंसली कुछ ऐसे बात कर रहे होंगे एंड मनमीत मीट ब्रोज ही केम एंड ही इज लाइक तुम्हें क्या हो गया यार, तुम ऐसे क्यों बात कर रहे हो, मतलब 5 साल से मिले नहीं हो क्या तुम, ऐसे लाइक क्या बात कर रहे हो इतना इंटेंसली, लाइक 5-6 दिन हो गया क्या, मतलब व्हाट्स हैपेंड, तुम एक साथ तो रहते हो. एंड आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट पीपल थिंक ऑफ अस, क्योंकि वी स्पेंड ऑल आवर टाइम टुगेदर बट वी आर स्टिल टॉकिंग ऑल द टाइम.
तो रेडियो सिटी म्यूजिक फेस्ट का पार्ट बनने का सबसे एक्साइटिंग रीजन सुकू पुकू का क्या है?
I think you you are a huge reason of that, but also I feel like इतनी candidly हमने बात ही नहीं की अपने process के बारे में. I feel like सबको ही पता है that it is the best time to do music, but also a very tricky time. Everybody's putting their music out, but I feel like if we can just add a little bit of value or like give anybody a little bit more of like the story behind the process, it's helped me so many times when I've heard from other artists. And if this would help anybody, that's great.
I think, like she said, you know, it's different times. I think I'm very, very proud of our journey till now, and to be on this festival just makes it so much more exciting. And it's like a full circle moment, right? We started our journey right here in the studio, but whenever Radio City calls, you know, always so happy to be a part of anything that y'all are doing, कि y'all really started our journey. हमें तो पता भी नहीं था कि माइक पे कैसे बात करते हैं और रेडियो स्टेशंस
No, but
कैसे
also I
लगते
feel
हैं.
like we're in such great and elite company, and all the other artists, and sharing that with them is also very exciting.
Radio City Music